Hey there and welcome to module 4.7 Roundup and Action Points. Now this was it already for module 4, and this module came with a goal. So what was that module goal again? Well, at the end of this module you have integrated Messenger into your current marketing strategy, capitalizing on new and existing traffic. What did we actually discuss in this module? Now obviously the first video was me telling you more about what you could expect from this module. Then we talked a little bit about the post engagement capture tool, a little bit more about Messenger ref URL capture tools and the m.me links. I revealed a little bit about the send to Messenger widgets and how to actually add them to your pages. Then we did something similar for the Checkbox plugin setup, and we did so as well with the customer chat widget, where I showed you how to install it, how to set it all up, and now we are at the end of this module, Roundup and Action Points. It shouldn't come as a surprise that you need to add these capture tools to your website and actually get those going in order to complete the module. Now, in order to attain the goal to complete this module, you need to set up a post engagement capture tool. You need to link to an m.me link, like a link to an m.me from a blog or website, send a link via an email broadcast to an email list you own, or share it in a Facebook group. Then you also need to set up a send to Messenger widget on your website and pages, add a checkbox to existing capture forms, and install a customer chat widget on your website and pages. Now, if you do all this, you complete this entire module and you attained the goal. Then you're automatically already capitalizing on any existing traffic and any new traffic that will come in over time, making sure you capture people as a Messenger subscriber as well as an email lead in an easier fashion, but also in a new, unique way. So that's basically it. Do these action points. Set up a post engagement capture tool, link to an m.me link, set up a send to Messenger widget, add a checkbox to your existing capture form or forms, and install the customer chat widget on your website and pages. Good luck for now, have fun setting this up, and I will see you in the next module.